What's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. So nandito kami ngayon sa The 7th Stadium. So Team Pinoy Aesthetic. So magko-compete kami sa Squat Wolf Games. So ayan, nandiyan si Coach Kino.
Let's go.
Coach Pizet, Coach Noy, tsaka syempre si Coach Rico. So ayun.
Let's go. Prepare to.
Walang prep, bodybuilding.
Basta Pinoy Pride. Ikaw nga rin, naka 5K ka kahapon eh. Pag nag-grabs pa sa condition eh.
So ayun, bahala na. Tingnan natin kung kaya. Pero basta laban tayo. Enjoy lang. So ayun, let's go.
Basta Pinoy Pride lang.
So ito na yung mga obstacles. So box jumps.
Nakakapikon, laban na kami guys.
Oo nga eh.
Team Pinoy Aesthetic. Something fun. Why, give me a one.
So yun guys, nakapagpa-picture na kami, nakapag-register na kami. So ayun, pwede na kami umuwi. Tingnan natin kung anong magagawa natin. Yun, for fun lang ito. As a bodybuilder, tingnan natin. Most probably mga kalaban natin dito puro CrossFit people. So ayun, laban lang.
Go. 12 minutes underway, let's go.
Bro, goblet ganito. Yeah.
Distance, yeah?
1, 2, make sure you fully stand. 3, 4.
Nice. Let's go.
Fully stand. 6, 7, 8,
Uy,
9,
mix ka rito.
10,
Baka bumigay ako.
11, 12.
Nakais ko nila yan.
13.
100 to eh. Kailangan namin mag-swap.
16.
Okay.
17.
Dito tayo.
18. 19. 20. Please fully stand. 21. 22.
Dito ka sa mag-get.
23. 24. 25.
You can pass if you want.
26.
Here, kahit na.
27.
Okay, 30.
28. 29.
Let's go. Swap. Let's go. Up.
Don't want more.
Let's go.
Please make sure you fully extend.
Let's go, Jun. 30. Let's go. 150.
100 kasi dapat total.
Inhale, exhale.
35. 36. 37. 38.
Okay, that's 1 minute gone. 11 minutes to go. Get through as many reps as we can here. Get through as much quarter as we can on the max weight. Designing those flags in the middle. We're about to start our first game of dodgeball, and I can see that we're chipping away at the synchro goblet squads.
Let's go. Let's go. Swap. Rico, balik tayo. Synchronize. Balik yung block.
Sige, ako lang muna sa bike.
Ako muna sa bike. Go.
Make sure you fully extend, please. 26. 27. 28. 29.
Mamili left mo.
80. 81.
Balik tayo.
84.
Coach Ray, swap. Kapunin na namin. Let's go 10. Let's go 5 more. What's the next?
Our first team on the rower, let's go. 8 minutes to go and we're on the rower already. Great work.
Let's go, coach. Let's go.
Go.
4 minutes, 57 seconds.
29. 30. 81. How many? 18.
Let's go swap here. Gawin nyo na 10-10. 10-10 lang. Tapos pahinga. Stay coach. Baba.
We're on to the thrusters. We've got 2 minutes left and we're already on to the thrusters.
26, 27,
1 minute to go.
27, 8, 9,
So ayun guys, natapos na namin yung heat 1. Awa ng Diyos. So ayun, madali lang naman. Madali lang naman tingnan. Hindi naman kami nahirapan. So antay na lang kami ng second heat. So thank God natapos namin yung first heat ng safe. Kami yan, coach. Carrot cake. Carb load muna, carb load.
Effort from the athletes how they are on pit skill at the we have PXP Sports minute. Heat number 4 coming to
Punong-puno. Inumin mo, tapos buga mo ron. Let's go.
sprint, sprint. Dali. Atay.
Ay na, videographer na lang ako ha.
Tama na coach. Dito lang coach kasi sayang yung gasolina. Set doon.
He's on Simplifies and he's working their way through those gauntlet spots. On the dodgeball, we have some games underway. Managing the dodgeball area, we have Hannah. She is a qualified teacher. She is a mother. She is a rugby player. So, don't get on her bad side today.
Diretso. Ang ako eh. Ang iba hindi na ano.
Okay yun. Antay Noy.
Baka mabasag. Hindi naman.
Fitness Edge working their way through the heat on their own. They're the only team in this heat.
Go coach.
Round.
Sprint. Ayun guys, second heat. Easy work. More on endurance, takbo. So yun, kayang-kaya. Mas mahirap.
Sana sprint eh, kaso nagkakaramps yung mga calves namin.
Pero kaya. Mas madali kaysa dun sa first heat namin kanina. So yun, nakapag-warm up na kami. So heat 3, let's see.
Ang gulo no.
Next challenge, design your flag. So medyo madali lang to. More on creativity. So kailangan lang natin matapos to. 12 minutes, limited time. Let's go. Tuldok-tuldok pa lang yan, ha? Panalo na.
Lining pa lang, pasa mo na rin. Tignan lang.
Ito nga, kulay mo ng black.
Oo, kulay na kayo ng black.
Black tayo, black, pre.
Ano yung kamay ko eh?
Saan ba tayo? Sa loob na to, pre?
Sa loob.
The wall balls, think we're on for a really good score here. The wall balls, good strategy.
Anong color?
Any color, bro, na light orange or blue.
Very, very good. Chest on the floor at the same time.
Nice one.
Artist. Picasso.
So ayun, natapos na namin. I think we did a good job. So ayan, dominate humbly. Tapos yung Wolf representing squad. So ayan, nice.
Uwi na lang natin bola. Hindi, dapat natirahin natin sa baba.
Ganun, unahan mga
Oo, guys. Kailangan bumalik sa line. Kasi yung line. Lima lang yung bola. Nasa gitna. 8 minutes siya. Tapos dalawang round.
We are 2 minutes in. 2 minutes into this week. Let's go. 10 minutes to go. We got some ferocious dodgeball games underway over here. Getting through those $100 spots. Let's go. We're going to mix up some really Most teams now can play 3 different activities. Sports massage. Those guys can surely help you out.
Go try.
We are 6 minutes into heat number 11.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love
for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a
So ayun guys, GG na, natapos namin yung 5 challenges. So ayun, kala namin di namin matatapos, pero thank God natapos naman namin. And kaya-kaya pala namin. So yun, kaya-kaya naman eh. Diba? Diba Noy?
Yes. Kaya, akala ko wala na.
GG guys. GG na.
Kain na. Mga ako, videoan mo nga kuya. Diretso to.
Game.
Nakaka-vertical pa ako dito, guys. So, do not get done.
Oo, parang ano lang eh. Nagwa-warm up pa lang eh.
Uy!
After 5 challenge.
Nakaka-backflip pa. Oh, dito ka.
Nagwa-warm up pa lang eh. After ng 5 challenges eh. Oh.
Doon pa na-injure.
So, ayun, si Coach Rico.
Pilain na naman. Injured na naman, guys.
Medyo tumitigas yung calves. So ayun, I think na-dominate naman namin yung 4 out of 5 dun sa mga challenges. Nagka-problema lang kami dun sa first challenge kasi dumating kami ng late and late na rin kami nakapag-start and hindi kami masyadong na-brief regarding kung anong yung weights na gagamitin namin and kung paano ba yung approach namin. Hindi rin kami nakapag-planning. So okay lang yun. Lesson learned yun. So nothing to blame. Problema namin yung late kami dumating eh. And yung other 4 challenges naman, yun, dominate naman namin ng maayos. So, ayun, di namin alam.
5 seconds lang, no? 5 seconds
lang. 5 seconds lang naman yung
first challenge. Hindi natin na-meet.
Hindi namin na-meet dun sa first challenge. So, kung nakapagplano kami or nakadating kami ng maaga dun sa mismong platform, kaya namin tapusin yun. But anyway, yun nga, antayin na lang namin yung result kung anong results. And ayun, GG na, gutom na kami.